Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious vinegar-based barbecue sauce. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect batch every time. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, then move on to combining them for that classic tangy flavor. Get ready to elevate your grilling game with this homemade sauce. Once your ingredients are combined, it's time to let the magic happen on the stovetop. We'll simmer the sauce gently, allowing all those wonderful flavors to deepen and blend. Remember to stir it now and then to keep everything smooth. This is also your chance to personalize the taste, making it perfectly suited to your palate. A little extra kick or sweetness can make all the difference. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation. Just like a great barbecue sauce brings flavor to your food, the Echo Dot smart speaker can bring your space to life with music and smart home control. It's a fantastic addition to any kitchen or living area. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After simmering, your sauce needs to cool down before storage. This step is crucial for both safety and flavor. Once it's at room temperature, transfer it to a clean, airtight container. Proper storage ensures your delicious homemade sauce stays fresh and ready for your next barbecue. It's perfect for ribs, chicken, or even as a dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.